Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System at the bottom. Now tap on Language and Input, Sorry misclick, Virtual Keyboard, and SwiftKey Keyboard. Finally, you can click on Typing Options and select Typing and Autocorrect. Lastly, tap on this switcher next to Autocorrect feature to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!